All right, so today is July 22nd, 2024. This is my post-market review of the market. Um, in my pre-market session, I stated that I was not quite sure which way the market was going. I had potential sell-off here, potential buying here. I did have some levels here above, and the reason I have selling potential here because we rejected this level right here a few times. One, let me make it a little clearer. So we broke down. We had one, somewhat of a rejection, definitely two, three, and I said, well, if we come up here again, I need to see sellers step in. So this was a great sign of sellers stepping in, but it wasn't enough for me to trust it because this candle here, buyers stepped right back up. But it did make this area here an interesting level. I could have used the 15-minute chart as a reason to enter the trade because we had a nice strong selling pressure here, but when we came back into it, we had a solid um, buying candle, which I did draw a channel on, that didn't make me feel like I trusted the price action. And then, but the best one would have been the 5-minute chart here, where we created a double top or a triple top actually. So we had this one, nice strong selling candle. We had some strong selling candle here, but we got back above it. Price bounce, and then right here could have been my entry. And so if we go to the 1 minute and look at that same area, what I would have been looking for is a wick, or so not just a wick, but or a strong break of the channel. So we draw like this. So I like this somewhat of a rejection, that we have some weak volume retesting, and I could have entered on this candle right here, 56.04, stop loss about 4 points, and this would have been a nice trade. This, and then just taking it straight back down to the bottom, which would have gave me a nice 28 point trade. All right, so this would have been an ideal trade right here, but I wasn't able to catch any of this price action. I was looking at it, I was being very careful, preparing for this level to react, but I really was hoping to get some wicks from either the 15-minute or the 5-minute or something. So this was the wick happening here, so I could have entered when the wick was happening here, and then staying in the trade, even adding to it when that happened. But I wasn't able to fully focus on the charts at this time, um, so I missed the opportunity of that price action because we had some nice volume here. We pushed down and we retested it, and then we crashed even lower, and then we reversed back up from where we came from. And then the next trade I was looking for was a once we broke above this level here, I had marked this volume area as a potential area to retest. So I was hoping for price to come back to it. Looking at the Heikin Nashi, right? I was always looking for shorts because the Heikin Nashi was struggling to close above, and then once it closed here above at this candle, that's when I was looking for my longs. Right, we closed above. It looks like where is it? If I put this on default, it'll be less noise. Right, so this candle right here, which is this one here. So is this for me? Is validation that buyers were interested in staying up here, and I wanted to see a nice retest of the volume here at 14K and bounced, but we never came back to it. We held above in this balance, and I never got the entry that I wanted. So that was it. So I didn't take any trades today. I did miss this nice little double triple top here, um, and I wasn't able to catch that move. And that's basically it for today. I wish I caught that at least. That would have been a nice move, a nice play. I was stalking the market all day looking for a clear sign of selling. This is a nice clear sign of selling. Price was back up on low volume, and then we sold off again. All right, so that would have been a nice entry. Just recapping here. So once again, nice sell off, a ton of volume. Price moving back up on low volume, and then we have another sell off right after. A nice retest. So could have added onto that. Retested this peak here. Retested a portion of this. If I go into that doesn't count because it's right away. If I went to the Heikin-Ashi, it's right away. It may look better on this one, but I don't do the 1 minute Heikin-Ashi. No, we don't even have it on the 1 minute. Not even have it. So it came back and retested this area here. I could say that, and then price sold off. So that's it for today. I am logging off. Very short video. Nothing I was able to catch. Be back tomorrow. I'm going to do a few modifications on my chart to prepare me for tomorrow, and then I'll go from there.